Badwam TV, Badwam Jumadie eso, Jumadie na shase 5:30 no de do so no ya de kasia no na ebro de etodwa wo mu bia wo betini Ablekuma North enem panifo gu nhihye so ya make kasa kra na electoral commission panifo won wadu ho ya de honsam no ebebro no yakoshe MPP abanyoko no de wo gina mama won sama wo de tudwa no nsem bi anope ya de bro Adom TV Badwam kasia share live on Facebook/ Adom TV, Extra Go TV 119, DSTV 280. Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com. And semi ni sembebre ewo ho. Media fear amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni de mientie so den samni chemo ankasa etie. MPP amanyoko no candidate awo gina mu Ablekuma North na na akua friye na wose wo gina mu de dene kunani nyame nyina ni mfiri ne so nti se de tie bia na nem kunimdie ebe ne dia.
Me winning into Radi Ebeshen when you manyam. Me winning. A Radi and Kasa and sign funding Tosio. A Radi so any mistake da. A Radi or Kasa, no Wakasa. So what say? What buy what power? Into betting Tim or Kunafo no Nessa. No watching it to me a friend in someone. A radinia mistake that. When Yanko Bombama, then yum a daddy. Amen. Amen. Ochina, a radibama and yum a daddy. Debian, I'm sorry, I'm a cautious and a yatri aye. Menyo mobo. Ablekuma North for menyo mobo. Meyamo mobo. Na mon come mame. Ablekuma North for mon come mame. Obekura for non person mujini to me friend and sam. Mon come meko and mame. Munyana mumpie. Abonting emba tuabano. Emma munia back every year. Oba back every year. Na vote no enya bebre. Enya bebre. Na erade enyom nyam and daddy. Ma obia hu se ade a wo se obia de no ho to no so ene erade. Na me de me ho ato erade so. Me de me ho ato erade so. Oni ma se mo ma.
Wabaya ekoso 19 polling station no electoral commission ababa cheche mu de ntia eye 19 ho na wormo to aba enano pay make say deputy commissioner Dr. Bosman Asare ene cheche mu.
For the public to understand that the issue in contention has to do with the fact that the 37 pink sheets provided by the MPP and used to collate the results were scanned copies. After extensive deliberations, the commission came to the conclusion that it will rerun the election in 19 out of the 37 polling stations. The commission arrived at the decision to rerun the election in the 19 polling stations because the 19 scanned polling station results used for the collation, though approved by agents of both political parties, were not verified by the presiding officers responsible for those polling stations. The commission was able to secure the confirmation of 18 presiding officers of their scanned pink sheets. The commission was of the view that once its officers were legally charged to conduct the elections at the polling stations, and they have also confirmed the scanned results, there was no need to rerun the elections in those polling stations. We state categorically that Ghana's electoral management body is an independent body and will not be dictated to by any person or institution. Our track record speaks for itself. The Ghana Police Service and the National Election Security Task Force have assured the Commission of their readiness to ensure security before, during, and after the rerun.
Intime kasa se we call 19 polling stations no a yen correspondent and yen reporters no wo hono mo a na ekoso no ye wie ade dwumade mu a ye befre na afi wo hu video so no bi na ye hunu ne a ekoso ewo ho na ye to so ye guso ye wo abato mu ensam na MPP amanyoko no empanifo teaching committee na what ye so onye Badwam delegate conference baso enya boko no ode to presidential aspirant ni nyina anim one supporters no enkasa na national delegate conference no nya ho eno bi bebo nto a emunsem ni
committee national council tie no Yesham Prince and Prenai, and Shisha de Abba conference no hunie. Sinyame Adomoa conference no ye beye no wo University of Ghana, Legon, ni stadium no so ho. Efiada enwumre ye hwe ni mu se obia we delegate bia beba ho fiada enwumre memenda ehase anopa ye ni da so se mo no miensa no na ne apon ne etimi asa dan ye ni ekọ sa conference we ya mamu hihye nko aho asem ne yebeka nti ye mpese ehọ na omo ni da so so mbegina se ento aba ma omo muntu franka no oho adababa ye omo a campaign platform enti ye makwan ma campaign obi amfa obi opeso ugina when da so se ibe no se franka tuni na tade ni poster the billboard ana bibiasa ema conference so report number ama National Executive Committee obia NTM sabre ya yomu from manem wiemu se University of Ghana asase no so yare huhunu bi aba ho covid enti ye pese ye bo mamamfo a party for delegates ebe nyina show mu krantse anamo efata bia se yetu na de boy delegates eba no ho ban no ya ye nhihye no dada yetu your health committee Dr. Okuboy Dano omotu anamo aye ne mahoro se be ya obi ama conference na se na yare meka no ana omfiri yare emfiri home
yankwa santemantemu yakwa sawase na beto dwa se clinic bi wo hono mo abortion nko a na won mo aya yama won mutumi enu achi so drugstore bi a woni enkrata no wo ye adwuma wo hono ne won akoho akoso mpachi
Aswasi ye krobia no ewa sante mantam ne emu na manebo efi hono ma eba echire mu adia clinic bi e wo hono mpanyimfo akakopie wono mu so se wono mu eyinyinsen gu hono mu a eno etia embra na no wada nchen a osanso kopie drugstore bi so a wono mu eton nwanya ade se mpanyimfo ama wono mu tumi krata sa clinic na drugstore ya yeka ho asemi ne nyina no ewa sokore mampo municipality na nhwemu mpanyimfo ye na dane de echire wo mu ese ekoya musifa wono mu di wonjuma wo hono ne nyina no enya de abapene wo mu so my Ghana emu ye no akokoye ha kese pa esanse betumenya sisanso bone wo manfo mapomuden nsamaso wo kire modia asokoye mampo municipal security council ye wo honom ne bo homoden a wo ho dwumadi a won mu edi e wo honom we ni nyina no we campaign fo hwehye ye odi agua kwa mu hwese abonefo sem so betumi ate e wo municipality honom
yankwa ahojo na arahosom na asi wo ho na no wukuo da beto dwa se bia ede baba ayoyo eno wo ahojo bro no bi okumase ja to ho no ma na dwono ama wo ma amfa hwe ene nursing mothers abatan no won ni nisuo nsem odi to dwa eni
yes ye ni baby kurada eno ase mantima amfa ba kokura eno ase me koda obi ho baby de tietu be de yetu ba yetu ba to kra sika kra e de ba sifana se de behind dan kra ye nibi nte sram bo se odun fo me boaye ne de ko ne de enyan te sram mbo boaye ne ere yamba yempe baby fa yenti nto
mene nana no ene me nua no mo na ete hanum se me nana awya abrewa ontimi ya hwe onkoye mmoa ama onkoye mmoa enye we na me ye we me tombo float echebo float na me koba ema mene nana no ye nya bi ede ye we na sisi a sana asi Andra yakosra obi vranda ene edai
Rage in share so assembly member eye opoma ne nkasiemu na oche say
you can't even find a place for the number are too huge. They are more than 450 to 500. So we believe, we've talked to them, that they should also arrange themselves. They can call friends and brothers and sisters in other place till tomorrow. After tomorrow meeting with the NADMO, we will see what and the help that the NADMO will bring forward for us to know what to do. I'm now going to inform the mayor officially. I think maybe through the media and others is aware. So we don't know how we are going to please them now. But we believe at least, or we have told them that they should call their relatives, friends and others. We have also informed some of our people, those who stays around and the churches around to help us.
Yemfansi ha asedane ya wodi awumre no wadaje a wode emma ye yenkomra sesie na yenye de obonkrata no na afi Ablekuma North ha ya election headquarters kokromoti power ya de sansem ni nyina ebebro twen sesie yekwaba